03 model GMC Yukon. Came in with a P0 300 that quickly turned into a knock sensor job, that quickly turned into a oil pressure sensor job. It being an 03 model, it's got some age to it, so you best believe when you take it apart, you're gonna be replacing some parts. It will also be nice to change the valve stem seals at this point, but in this particular case, I think we're gonna go ahead and do away with that. Good time to clean your throttle body. The newer style 5.3s and 6.0s have these knock sensors on the side of the block. They're really simple to change, but on the earlier style, they're buried underneath the intake. So as far as these gaskets go for the intake, they have a tendency of going flat, the rubber part. Definitely ideal to change it. This gasket too. Apparently there are two different style ignition coils, a square type and a round type. The square type uses the long cables. The round type apparently uses the short cables. On this valley cover, you have two rubber seals at the bottom that you need to replace. The knock sensors sit inside these holes. As far as the intake itself goes, it's a good idea to go ahead and try to clean all of the carbon so that when you install the new gasket, it sits under nice and flat. You don't want unmetered air being sucked in through here. $10mm bolts on this cover. The intake has 8mm bolts, 4 on each side. She'll run good again. I'll get back to work now.